the threshold for children is higher than the threshold for adults. So when you see this percent FPL, so federal programs are tied to the federal poverty level. But since cost of living is high in different areas around the states, some states put their threshold for eligibility at a certain percent of the federal poverty level to accommodate for the higher cost of living. So in California, for adults, it's 138% of the federal poverty level, and for children, it's 266%. And I'm going to show you what this means in practice. And I believe that they're going to put this link in the chat so that you can look at it yourself. The way to read this, and this is on the Covered California page and should update every year, is you're going to find your household size. So 1, 2, 3. Let's pick a household of 4, and you're going to scroll across to this is to see if your children are eligible. You're going to find the column that says 266%, because that's eligibility for children, and scroll across from 4, and you can see that 82,992 is the threshold for eligibility for income-based Medi-Cal in California for a family of 4, if the children will be qualified. And you can refer to this chart yourself to see where your children fall. But a lot of families don't qualify based on income, and there's no sort of like partial qualification. If you are over that amount, you are over that amount.